Hi kids, welcome to Kids World. Today I have a story for you. There is a beautiful garden in a park where different kinds of birds are seen. Colorful flowers are there in the garden, whereas varieties of fruits and vegetables are seen in that garden. The big trees like neem tree, fig tree, banyan tree are there, whereas the small plants like hibiscus, rose, jasmine plants are also there. Vegetable creepers like beans, double beans, bitter gourd, snake gourd are seen in a pleasant way. Pink color roses, red color shoe flower, white color jasmine, yellow color sunflower are also blossoming in that garden. Different kinds of butterflies flying in the garden, whereas different kinds of birds lives in the branches of the trees of that garden. In that forest, there is an old banyan tree in which varieties of birds builds their nest in that branches. It is the oldest among all the trees in the park. So, during spring season, so many birds fly towards the tree, build their nests, lay eggs in the nest, take rest, hatch the eggs, and spend their life in that banyan tree. Once a crow builds her nest in that tree, there are so many nests other than this nest in that tree. The crow lays eggs in her nest. Every day during night time, crow hatches the eggs and during daytime she goes in search of food. One day there is heavy rain in that place. That park is fully filled with rainwater. At that time, that crow is staying inside the nest calmly. Meanwhile, crow hears some sort of moaning sound. Crow becomes curious to know the moaning sound belongs to whom. From that tree, she peeped out to look at the downside. There, Crow can see a lamentable sight. A small puppy dog drenches in the rainwater. Puppy's mum is nowhere to be seen. That poor small puppy is trembling with cold. Immediately, mother's love oozes out from the mind of Crow on seeing this sight. So she carries the puppy on her back and flies up and keeps this puppy inside her nest. Every day, she musters some food for the puppy too. When the puppy becomes a big doggy, puppy came out of the nest and built her home under the tree. Meanwhile, all the eggs of the crow hatched out and the kids of the crow came out. The crow feels happy and she spends her whole time with her kids and the puppy. One day, the crow goes in search of food. During that time, a snake crawls in that tree and it wants to eat the kids of the crow. The puppy, which lives under the tree, looks at that sight of terrific snake and it starts to bark like anything. It makes severe noise. Getting frightened by the barking sound of the dog at once, the snake falls down from the tree. As soon as the snake falls down, the puppy clasps the snake and fights with the snake with full effort. At last, the puppy kills the snake and saves the kids of the crow. The puppy saves the kids of the crow with the intention that the crow already saved the life of puppy. So, it shows its gratitude towards the crow. When the crow returns her nest, she comes to know whatever happened there due to the snake and how the puppy rescued the kids of the crow. The crow becomes happy to know this news and she thanked the puppy. Children, the moral of the story is help others even if they can't help you back. The crow helped Puppy without any expectation, which in turn helped the kids of the crow in troublesome period. Children, if you like this story, tell your parents to subscribe it and share it. Next time I'll come along with some other story. Thank you so much.